If you like my dotting design, here is everything you need to know to create your own. Dotting in real life is a slow, relaxing and meditative process. So in this video, I will provide a quick and easy step-by-step guide. Please pause at any moment and take your time to complete each step. For this project we need some black art paper or black canvas. Paints we need pearl white, shimmering silver, glorious gold, yellow flash, Christmas green, true blue, black. Also optional is clear acrylic sealer to seal the final look. We need some dotting tools ranging from 1 to 15 mm in diameter. We need some small containers with the lids and a couple of small brushes. First, we need to divide a circle into 32 equal parts. Please watch this video for more details. Or here is a quick summary. Connect corner to corner, middle to middle, draw a large circle. Using a larger radius left and right, connect the dots. Repeat the steps. I like to draw more circles to keep our design symmetrical. We start with white, using the largest tool number 15. Glorious gold, tool number 1, dots around. Christmas green, tool number 4, dots around. Usually, I like to crisscross first and then fill in between. I like my dots fat and outstanding, so I always add some more paint on top. Christmas green, tool number 6, dots around. True blue, tool number 3. Let's follow the steps. White pearl, tool number 1, dots around. Tool number 1, drag it while the paint is still wet. If it doesn't look good, no worries, it's easy to fix. Using a brush, remove the unwanted paint while it is still wet. Paint it over with black and let it dry. True blue, tool number 4. Tool number 3, taper. Moving on to the corners. Christmas green, tool number 12, 1 dot. Christmas green, tool number 6, 2 dots. And tool number 3, taper. And now is my favorite moment to make our painting come alive. Add some pearl white into the color to make it lighter and brighter. It brings more texture and definition to our dots and add more vibrancy to our painting. And some final touches. When the paint is dry, gently clean the chalk marks with a slightly damp paper towel. Optional, spray it with a sealer to preserve the painting. And now our project is done. I hope you enjoyed creating this gorgeous dotting mandala project with me and had a good time. Please like and subscribe so we can stay in touch and enjoy more dotting projects together in my next video.